Hi, Miss M6960. Please introduce yourself.
Hi to all employers. I'm Evangeline Dumawal, 48 years old, born on May 28, 1978. Marriage but separated. I have four kids, one boy and three daughter. Uh, I live in Pasig City. I'm a Roman Catholic, and my parents are passed away. I have one brother and two sisters. I have three siblings. Uh, my work here in Philippines since 20 June 2006 to May 2022. I served for two adults and one elder and one newborn baby. And my duties there is cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and marketing. And I'm ex-abroad in Kuwait. My duties there is cooking, cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, take care of an 8 months newborn, and five children, 13, 11, 7, and 8, and 5, and one couple. I have
Okay, so you have two different experience, but here in the Philippines and also in Kuwait. In Kuwait for 2 years, and here in the Philippines for 16 years.
yeah
You take good care of a newborn here in the Philippines and also 8 months old baby in Kuwait, right?
yes
So you are the one who took care of the baby here in the Philippines for 16 years.
yes
And also 8 months old baby for 2 years.
yes
So you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
yeah.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the diaphragm, it's full, and then I check the temperature, and then if the baby is hungry, I feed it. And
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
I call the mother, and then I tell baby is non-stop crying,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because they offered a higher salary, and Hong Kong is the safety place.
Okay. And how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, it depends on my employer.
Okay.
It's as needed.
Okay. Do you know how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't know how to prepare Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn how.
And how
to.
will you learn to cook?
I watch the YouTube, and I follow the instruction.
Okay. If your employer prepared food, it is okay to you to eat.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share job with a helper.
yes,
How about sharing room with a baby?
yes,
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
yes,
How about learning their language?
yes. Of course.
Okay. What will be your message for your dearest employer?
My dearest employer, please hire me as a domestic helper. I'm cheerful, I'm trustworthy, I'm obedient, I'm helpful person, and I'm willing to follow the instruction my employer, and I can work under pressure.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Evangeline. Thank you.